We are Aurora. You're proud. Stand to get the gold cup. Are you ready? Yes, we are ready.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here today. Our very present is sacrifice assured toward achieving social justice, upholding human rights, and combating the health emergency that's all too often affect our community. We are resolute in our conviction that everyone should be afforded dignity, equity, and access to fundamental services. Today, we are applying the world that we want, a world that is fair and social justice, the very moral base on which our empires of fair society are built. Social justice is the process of fair realization of equal opportunities to any person living in society. Of course, the systematic inequality that was equality for too long demands us to fight for equal pay and educational opportunities and the destruction of discriminator practices. Human rights are the inherent standard to ensure humanity is not slaughtered as we prepare to tackle a number of issues. Let us not do so at the expense or the disright. We envision our ideal world in which human rights are respected and justice for all.
We are based on our overall cases of digital knowledge and effect. Tertiary classes and access to care have been currently exposed by the pandemic. The classes really underline the critical power of
Nature is a basic human right. Not something for the few on the human alone. We must make sure that everyone can get affordable, quality healthcare, regardless of their economic circumstances. Circumstances that means more coverage public health resources in every community to keep people healthy. Let, let, let us advocate for policies that make healthcare accessible to all the address the root causes of health disparities.
our splendid life of struggle is solidarity is our goal. In the belongingness to a community, care for another, and not available for the most vulnerable stakeholders. We should accept each other. We are supposed to be enforced with kindness and contact with the common when we need now. Where we can always look after one another united in this effort. It's a great effort towards some great change within our inclusive society.
And it is that possible. The purpose will shape the future of our communities and our world. We all pick ourselves to engage in the fight for social justice, the protection of human rights, and the ardent response to inequities. I call on every single one of the community a part of this movement advocate for change. Support. This is what makes for an equitable society and a voice for the oppressed, voiceless, practices towards ensuring a future of justice, equity, and health. With this our movement stand up in service of this activist agenda, maybe each in our own way, be the change maker, advocates, and champions of these causes. Thank you for your commitment, your passion, and your steadfast commitment with a just and equitable world.
The time has come for all of us to lead the changes that we need in the world. The supporting public awareness campaigns through voices, resources, and passion will be great. Thank you.
Let's go!